What are you gonna do now, Juliet?
Watch me, Nick! Suck City! Okay!
Awesome!
Now we're cooking!
Juliet, where are we going?
I need to find Morikawa-sensei. He'll know what to do.
Who's that?
Morikawa-sensei. He's my sensei.
A sensei? Like a teacher?
I didn't know you spoke Japanese, Nick.
Well, I
Watashi mo Nihiko o hanashimasu.
I can't speak Japanese, Juliet. I just know that one word.
Aw, your simple innocence is one of the most attractive things about you.
Yeah.
You're like a kitten that doesn't speak Japanese.
Yeah, okay. There's something else written. It says zombie basketball. Time limit 3 minutes. You lose and blam! What? Game's already started.
Zombie basketball. Time your killing of zombies. How many points can you rack up? It seems like a one-sided game.
What do we have here this time?
Points.
Basketball? Why basketball? Just don't throw my head into the hoop.
Time to get to work.
Wow, what a turnaround. The zombies are getting slaughtered. Incredible game, Juliet. Can't wait to see you in action again.
Where's that voice coming from?
Mommy! Quarantine!
We need to get out of here!
Emergency!
I wonder what they have.
Emergency! Rock and roll!
It's a party!
Killing it!
Awesome!
Don't be late.
Kill him before he blows up! biology in here. I dissected a frog.
Oh, dead frogs. Gross.
That's gross. Oh man, don't these dudes ever stop coming? Oh well.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nick's head's on a body and he's grooving and he's grooving. Zombie brains, show 'em to us, show 'em to us.
Dangerous to run. Be dangerous. Pussy power.
Hey, it's Dead Starsky and Hutch.
You guys have no respect for the badge. I'm gonna F you up.
Now I hate you more than Carrot Top.
Strawberry's my favorite. Okay,
Fuck yes.
pop it.
How you doing? Did you finish your homework?
Yes!
Sweet.
Daddy goes boom.
Quit opening and closing the door, dude.
I found a new virus.
Again and again with the door. It's irritating. Now this.
Wash your hands.
God, I love shopping. Killing zombies gives me total wood.
That's a weird thing to say.
Sensei!
Ah, Juliet. One moment, please. Hey, Rasai! Juliet, it looks like you've really gotten ahead in life.
My teacher, Morikawa-sensei, is the most amazing veteran zombie hunter ever.
Oh.
Correct. I have studied the zomboid sciences for 40 years. Listen, both of you! The school is in dire trouble. My research tells me that something has gone wrong on a cosmic scale.
That's a massive bummer.
That completely sucks.
Let me show you. The universe is composed of 3 dimensions. The land beyond words, the rotten world, and our dimension, Earth. There are dimensional walls between each. Using a combination of black magic and explosives, someone cracked the wall between Earth and rotten world. And the gases of rotten world seeped into our world. Your friends and fellow students inhaled these gases, which transformed them into the undead. Well, whoever did this could be trying to open a permanent gate between here and rotten world, which would be catastrophic. Unfortunately, once they have become zombies, there is no return. All we can do is clean up the school, kill the undead, and stop the bomber. That is our mission. The bomber is either in the cafeteria downstairs or the courtyard. You destroy the zombies in the cafeteria. I shall look in the courtyard. I'm counting on you both. Kill the motherfuckers!
Yes, Sensei.
Check, check. 1, 2, 3. It's party time, motherfuckers!